Hey everyone, welcome back, or welcome if you are new. My name is Tanya with Mind, Body, and Soul Company, and I make aromatherapy, bath, and beauty products. So for today's project, we are doing a melt and pour soap. We are making some coffee massage bars. So to start with, we are taking 8 ounces of shea butter melt and pour, and I'm gonna get that melted down in the microwave, and then I'll be right back. All right, so I have that all melted down. Just gonna make sure there's no lumps. And then we're gonna add in some mocha brown mica from Nurture that has been mixed up in some alcohol. Get that in there and then see if we need any more or not. Give it a quick mix. I'm actually pretty happy with that color, so we're not going to need any more. That was about a teaspoon of the mocha brown. And then I'm going to bring my mold over for the massage bars. Now the bottom half, we're just doing the shea butter soap. And then on the top half, we're gonna add in some coffee, so there would be some exfoliation. So the bottom half will be the massage bar, and the top half will be the exfoliating portion. I'll just get this poured in. This should make 3 bars. There we go. All right, so these have firmed up. So now we're gonna melt another 8 ounces of our shea butter base. And then we are going to add in some coffee, the rest of our fragrance oil, and Maya Gold for the color. All right, so we have our base melted. So we're gonna pour in the rest of our Turkish Mocha fragrance oil from Brambleberry. It's a really nice coffee, has some vanilla notes in it as well. It's one of my favorite coffee scents. And then the Maya Gold from Nurture, and I just mixed that up in some alcohol just like I did with the mocha brown. And then we're gonna add in just a little bit of coffee. We want some exfoliation, but not too much. And it looks nice with the flecks in there. And then I'm just gonna keep stirring this. We're gonna let it cool down some before we pour it on top of our other layer. That way we can keep them as separate as possible. If it does break through some, it's truly not a big deal. But if we can keep them separate, that is what we'll try to do. Typically you wanna pour around 115 to 120 degrees if you're gonna try to keep it from breaking through the other layer. So the temperature has come down enough where we should be good to pour. And then I'm just gonna give these a little spritz on the top with some alcohol. That just helps the layers adhere to one another. And you can see that Maya Gold made it like a creamy latte color. So I really like that, especially with the coffee in there. Now you do typically want to use brewed coffee grinds. That just helps with them not bleeding as much. All right. And you want to keep stirring because the coffee can tend to settle to the bottom. All right, so let's see. We'll go real easy here and top these off. Like I said, not a huge deal if it does break through, but it'd be super awesome if it doesn't. And I'll have this full recipe listed out below as well. And then for this one, I will go ahead and put the fragrance amount I used, since I'll be given an exact soap amount. If you use a different fragrance, you won't want to just base it on the amount I have listed. You will want to calculate out for that particular fragrance the amount that you are going to use. Most suppliers, like Wholesale Supplies Plus, Brambleberry, they all have fragrance calculators to help you on their websites. Because not all fragrances can be used at the same strength. All right. And that was the perfect amount for doing 3. And I'm just gonna give these a quick spritz with some rubbing alcohol. That'll get rid of any air bubbles on the top. And then I'm gonna let these set up overnight because it's a thicker bar, and then we will unmold them in the morning. All right, so we are back to unmold my coffee massage bars. I think they turned out pretty nice. You can definitely see the 2 different layers there, and they smell really nice. The mocha brown mica has a little bit of a shimmer to it. They're popping out pretty easy too, which is nice. That's not always the case with the massage bars. So this is a quick and easy project. You do have the time that it takes for the first layer to harden up, but you can definitely go get some other stuff done while that is hardening up. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and I will catch you in the next one.